Look at my life, man, that's lessons on lessons on lessons. I treat the beat like it's a...
Hey you guys, good morning. So I don't know how well you all can see me. I am in my living room. I was asked to actually show what I wear to work to give someone inspiration, which I thought was so sweet. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. So first I have on these black shoes, and you really can't see them because my carpet is black, but they have like an ankle strap and they are super cute, y'all. They are a wedge shoe, and I actually picked these shoes up from the Goodwill. They are super duper cute and super comfortable, and this is my first time wearing these to work, so hopefully I can last all day in these shoes. But they are super duper cute. And then I have on these scuba pants, which I really love. As y'all can see, they are skinny leg, if you can see that through my mirror. These pants do have pockets, and it also has like a belt in the front, and they are super duper comfortable. I love the material. I love the stretch. I can move around in these pants. They are so good, y'all. So whenever I go to Ross, because that's where I got these pants from, for about 10 bucks, I try to pick up multiple pairs because they just fit so good. And I love them, and they're black, so you can wear, just like you can switch them up and wear them with any type of shirt. So they are so comfortable, and then I love the way the belt ties in the front. Super duper cute pants, y'all. So I have about maybe 3 pair of pants like this upstairs, and they also have some printed ones in the same material that's super duper cute, and I probably will wear a pair of those tomorrow and I'll show y'all. Okay, all right, y'all. So the top that I have on actually came from Shein. I love this top. I got this top about a year ago. As you guys can see, it is a turtleneck. Okay, so it's a full turtleneck. Y'all, I love the floral print of this shirt. So cute. It's so comfortable. It's really nice and stretchy, and it's the material of the pants, so it goes really, really great with these pants. As you can see, it is a long sleeve, and I love it, y'all. I love it. I just love how vibrant the shirt is. It looks good up against black, and yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it, y'all. So I will post that haul, y'all, at the end of this video for you guys to check out. But yeah, this is what your girl is wearing today. In regards to accessories, I have on this necklace. It's actually like a charm necklace that I picked up from Ross, but I'm wearing it as a bracelet. I have on my Juicy watch that I picked up from Ross. Just some hoop earrings that I got from the BSS, my nose ring, my wedding ring, and yeah, that's it for the jewelry, y'all. That's it. And then I'm also going to be rocking my new Michael Kors bag that my hubby picked up for me the other day, and it's super duper cute. As you guys can see, it has gold accessories, and it just goes really, really nice with the fit. All right, so here's what we're looking like for work, you guys. Super duper cute. And as far as, like, it's really cold outside, but I think I'm going to put on my faux fur vest with this, so that way I can take it off, because although I do stay cold, I get kind of hot, so I don't want to wear like a really, really bulky coat, and I don't like to wear a coat like inside the car, if that makes any sense. So yeah, y'all, this is what I'm wearing. This is the bag. I think it looks super duper cute. Let me know what you guys think. I don't spend a lot of money on my clothes, you guys, but I still like to look nice, and I don't feel like you have to spend like a whole lot of money to look nice, so I do like to bargain shop. I will come back on like probably not every day, but every so often, to show you guys what I'm wearing, to give you some inspiration. So let me know what you guys think about this fit. I think it's super duper cute, and yeah, I'm gonna head off to work, but I'll see you guys a little later today. Hey y'all, so what is up? I wanted to come on to show you guys what I wore to work today. Today is actually Tuesday, and as you can see, I don't have any shoes on because I just came home. I didn't have enough time to show y'all this morning, basically, and so I just came home, and the first thing I did, y'all, was kick those shoes off when I walked through the door. But I just wore some black booties. But basically, for the outfit, I'm wearing this black and white turtleneck, and as you can see, it's like a houndstooth and then cow print going on. Let me step up closer so y'all can see. So you have the cow print going on up here, and then you have the houndstooth on the sleeve, and then this area right here, it is a mock neck. So I really love this shirt, y'all. The shirt actually came from the Goodwill. Do not sleep on the Goodwill. If you're looking for like odd stuff that you probably can't find in the store, or if you're looking for just like any type of workwear or even like items to go out, check out your Goodwill, y'all. This shirt was only about $2 and it's in really good condition and I love it. So with this top, I decided to throw on this scarf that Dennis brought me, and I actually showed y'all this scarf the other day. Dennis picked up a bag from Michael Kors for me, and which I'm going to show y'all in a minute because of course I carried my bag today. And he said that it was someone outside of the store selling these scarves, so he got this one and he also got 2 more that I'm going to probably wear sometime this week. But y'all, when I pulled this shirt out this morning, I instantly thought about this scarf, and it just meshed so freaking well. You have so many patterns going on, but yet you're sticking with the black and white. So I got so many compliments on this today. Super duper cute, y'all. And then as you can see, I have on these burgundy pants, and I love these pants, y'all. These pants actually came from Shin, and I did a video showing you guys these pants. I love them. They actually still have these pants on the site because I'm thinking about getting another pair just to have a backup because I love these. They have a skinny bottom, as you can see, so they can fit inside of a boot, and they also look good with booties. But y'all, this outfit was super duper cute. I got so many compliments. With this outfit, y'all, I wore like silver accessories. So I have on silver hoops, I wore my silver watch, and then of course I had on my wedding ring, so forth and so on. So yeah, super duper cute, y'all. I love this look. And as I mentioned earlier, I wore my Michael Kors bag, okay? And so this is what it looked like. Super cute. I went to the store after work, and y'all, so many people were staring at me because I know that I looked so freaking good. And then one lady was like, oh my god, you look amazing. And I was like, thank you, because I feel amazing. So yeah, I had to come on and show y'all the look before I actually take everything off and take me a shower and all of that good stuff. So yeah, y'all, this is the look. Sorry I don't have on any shoes, but y'all know, just throw on some black shoes and you're good to go. Even if and let me tell you something, even if you can't find like exactly what I have on, because again, this shirt was picked up from the Goodwill, you can always do like a black and white turtleneck or a black and white shirt, burgundy pants, and any type of black shoes and a black bag. Okay, and you can probably find a scarf like this anywhere. So this is just for like inspiration. So yeah, y'all, this is the look. Let me know what you guys think. If you have a Goodwill in your area or any type of thrift store for that matter, check them out, okay? So yeah, y'all, so yeah, tell me what you all think about this look, and I will come on tomorrow and show you guys what I'm going to be wearing. I'm not even sure what that is, but whatever I wear, I will share it with you all. Hey you guys, good morning. So coming at you today with a look, but today is Thursday, y'all. Oh my god, Friday Junior. We're winding on down, but I'm coming at y'all with a quick outfit that I promise you, I literally just threw this together. I didn't want to get out of the bed. The alarm was going off. I was like, oh my god, what am I going to wear to work? Went in the closet, because y'all, one thing I will tell you, my closet is color coded, so it's pretty easy for me to just go snatch something. So I would recommend you all color code your closet, especially if you are the type like me that does not like to get your clothes together the night before. Okay, so basically what I'm wearing is, and I wish I had another bra to put on, y'all, because I almost feel like I'm going to be adjusting the sweater all day so my bra strap won't show. But anywho, I have on this black spaghetti strap top, okay, and this top came from the Goodwill. I bought it a while ago. One of my favorite tops, y'all. I love it so much. It looks good if you wear it outside of your pants, obviously tucked in like I have it right now. It's just a really nice basic top. So this came from the Goodwill for about $2. And y'all, here's another tip. Whenever I shop at the Goodwill, I always shop for clearance items, okay? Always make sure that the item is going to be half off. That's important. So $2 for the top. And then this sweater that I have on is so freaking cute, y'all. I love this sweater so much. I brought this sweater last year from the Goodwill, and this sweater was about, I guess, about $3, okay? As you can see, it is burgundy and it has like leopard print all over it. Super duper cute. This sweater originally came from Target, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's from Massimo, but I love this sweater, y'all. Sometimes I tie it up like this, and I might tie it up today. That look kind of cute. but sometimes I tie it up like that. I've worn a bandeau top with this. Sometimes I button it all the way up just to give it a different look. You can also button like one top. That'll be super, one button, I'm sorry. That'll be super cute. But it's just like a really cute sweater, okay? I love this thing. When I saw this in the Goodwill, I grabbed it up so quickly because burgundy is definitely my go-to color for this time of the year, okay? Y'all, I'm sorry, it's early in the morning. I am having coffee, y'all. I'm just not there yet. So excuse me if I'm like stumbling over my words. But yeah, so the sweater came from the Goodwill, top came from the Goodwill. These pants, y'all, love these pants with the gold buttons. Oh, they're high-waisted just like I love them. And they came from Shein. So I brought these at the same time that I brought the burgundy pants that I showed you guys on yesterday. Oh, so I brought these the same time I brought the burgundy pants that I showed you guys on yesterday. I love these pants so much. They are skinny leg, and I don't know if you can tell because they are black, so it's kind of blended in with my carpet. But these pants are everything. Every time I wear these, I get tons of compliments, and they are still to this day sold out on Shein. I looked for these pants the other day just to get a second pair because like the more you wash them, obviously, the more they just, you know, don't hold up. They still look good, but like it's some flaws in the pants, trust me, okay? And the buttons keep popping off, so I'm having to sew the buttons on every so often, y'all. So it comes with 3 buttons on either side, and they do give you extra buttons, and I think the buttons is what really like makes these pants pop. So I love these pants, y'all. They came from Shein. They do have some similar to these, but these ones are everything. It comes with a zipper on the side, and they're just really comfortable and just stylish and everything. So I love these pants so much. Okay, and then I have on some burgundy boots, and I'm honestly hoping that you guys can see. I'm gonna have to try and figure out my lighting in this area because this is obviously where I want to do my outfits, because I have this full mirror. And by the way, y'all, this mirror came from Ross. It's everything. And then we ordered some lights from Amazon to go in the back of it, but it's such a vibe. But anyway, yeah, y'all, the boots are so gorgeous. Hopefully you guys can see them okay. But the boots, the burgundy boots, came from the Goodwill, y'all, for $6. When I saw these, I was like, yes. These boots have a moderate chunky heel, if you guys can see that, but they are super cute. And when I tell you they match this sweater to a T, I love this look, y'all. Yeah, y'all, so basically that is the look. That is the look. I have on my gold watch that I showed you guys on yesterday. I have on some huge hoops, if you guys can see my hoops. Alright, and then I also have on some little small earrings as well. Whenever I wear my hair in a bust down middle part, I like to do like huge hoops. So that's what I have on. Oh, and I have on this chunky bracelet right here that I picked up from Ross. My nose ring, wedding ring, and that's it for accessories. And then the gold buttons on the pants brings all of my gold accessories together. I might throw on a brooch. I'm still thinking about it, y'all, because I didn't want to do a necklace because my earrings are so big. So I might put on a little brooch, but we'll see. But anyway, y'all, that is the look. I absolutely love it. Yes, I do. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's super cute and super stylish and definitely appropriate for the office. Okay, so that's it, y'all. So tomorrow's Friday. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the last outfit of the week. Deuces, y'all. Y'all, I had to come back. I didn't show y'all my bag. Y'all should already know. This is the bag that I'm wearing today. My Michael Kors that Dennis brought for me the other day. Hey, y'all. So today is Friday, and I'm coming on to show you guys what I'm wearing today. Really simple, y'all. So let's get to it. I'm wearing this really cute top. As you can see, it has no straps. Okay, really cute. I love this, y'all. I got this from Ross. I picked up this shirt from Ross. It was on sale for like $4, but I love this top. Super duper cute. I love the colors. All right, and then I'm wearing this black peplum jacket. You can really see the peplum in the back. Well, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's a really cute peplum jacket. Let me put my bag down so you can see. All right, so yeah, this is the jacket. It looks so nice and structured, especially when I zip it up, but it's really cute. I got this from the Goodwill for about $5. Love this jacket. I forgot I had it, y'all, but I was actually going through all of my jackets and I found this. I was like, yes. So I just love how structured it is. Then I'm wearing my famous Ross pants, black stretch pants. You really can't see them, y'all, because they're so dark and it's blending in with the rug. But y'all have seen these pants with the pockets and it ties up here in the front. Like, I love these pants. Like, if I could wear these all week, I would, because they're so comfortable. They are skinny leg. And I'm wearing boots, y'all. I didn't bring my boots in here, but it's the boots that I showed y'all, I think in another outfit, okay, that I picked up from Ross. So yeah, that is the fit. I'm wearing my gold watch again. Today I decided to put on a necklace, and this necklace is by Guess. I got it from Ross. I am wearing some hoop earrings. I have on my hoop earrings and then some drop earrings from Walmart. I left my wedding ring upstairs. I need to go get that. And that's basically it for the jewelry, y'all. So a really nice, simple outfit for a Friday. Really nice and comfortable. And that's that, y'all. So this is the fit. So yeah, y'all, this is the fit. Let me know what you guys think. Just really nice and simple. Black jacket, black pants, little printed top, black boots. And y'all know that I'm going to. And then, of course, my black bag. So really nice and simple fit, y'all. Let me know what y'all think, okay? All right, so I'm gonna get out of here, but I will holler at you guys when I get off from work, because it is Friday. And yes, honey, yes, I'm so happy today is Friday.